Welcome to in front of me HTC Desire 628, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should just hold for a while the application and drag this up to the another one. And as can you see, we got here the new folder now home screen. And just if you want to add one more application here, you can by the same way hold the app for a while and drag it to this folder. Also, as can you see here, we got the plus icon, just tap there, and by this way you can add more application, for example the game, the home one, and the calculator. And now just tap here to done, and as can you see, we just successfully add more applications to our folder. Also, we can rename the folder, just hold for a while, just tap once here on the name, and for example here enter the apps, and okay, now just go back, and as can you see, we just successfully rename our folder. We can move this folder here on the screen, just hold for a while and just drag it to the another position. Also, we can just move this folder between the screens by this way. Here we have no, unfortunately, did like a free space, so we'll just remove this icon, and for example, okay, and for example we'll just okay, so we need we can here just can then shortcut to this folder. Okay, so that's not a problem. And also, if you want to just remove the application from the folder, you can just do it by the same way, just hold for a while and drag it, for example, to the screen. Or also, if you want, you can just tap here again on this plus icon. Okay, no, we can't do this by this way, so you should just just hold for a while and drag it to the screen, or also you can drag it to the remove icon. But don't worry, the application not delete from your device, just from the screen, and also the application will stay here. As can you see, like the Candy Crush application game, this app will stay in your apps menu. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.